these set of 4 metal cutout spiders. They're so fun. They actually come with little holes on the tops of them. So those are the holes. You can see them hanging with some fishing line here. I've got 2 that are hanging here, and actually I have some that I've not attached any fishing line. I've just propped them up against the siding to make it look like that they are crawling along my fun pumpkin sign. So I just love these metal cutouts. They're super light, super easy to hang up. And the last thing I wanted to share with you are these fun, spooky bats. Look how cool these are. Oh my goodness. So actually, these have a stake in the back. Let me show you what that's like. There are these little rods in the back, and I've just simply used some more fishing line to tie them up against the back of our railing here to make it look like that they're hanging. So they're so cool. So yeah, you can actually stick these in a tree if you want. I have this tree here, but I rather hang them up here. But you could do what I did and just hang them up along the side of your porch.
It's Elaine with NC Modern Farmhouse Design. I'm here to show you this adorable cutout metal witch I got from Decor Steels. She looks like she's flying up my driveway there. So cute. I just popped her into the metal post here because I think it looks really cool. I've got some little witches down here, so she fit perfectly over here. Let me show you from this angle too. She is so neat and just so easy to pop into a tree or a post.
If you like this video, remember to hit that like button so more people like you will see these videos. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos.